Welcome to BuySpares. This video will show you how to stop water collecting in your fridge. Before repairing any electrical appliance, you must first ensure that the appliance is unplugged from the mains. If you notice water collecting in the bottom of your fridge or in the salad drawers, it's probably because the condensation drain hole is blocked. You'll find the drain hole on the inside back of your fridge. It drains away any moisture that runs down the back of the fridge, but it can easily get blocked with food crumbs and spillages. This stops the water draining away and can cause your fridge to smell. The drain hole can be easily cleaned out using this fridge unblocking tool, which you can find on the BuySpares website. It's a good idea to use this regularly to prevent any future blockages. Also, try not to leave items pressed up against the back wall of your fridge, as this will cause more condensation to form. For all the spare parts you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.